So today on 6th of December 2023, we are here to organize skill development workshop of CBSE as per the directives of our new education policy 2020. CBSE has given us a special task throughout the length and breadth of our country, in which we first equip ourselves with the latest knowledge, the complete vision of Bharat, India, and on the basis of 2020 new education policy, today we are here to discuss about skill development. The first is communication. We have to be very good communicators, because one who can communicate his emotions, will be ultimately successful in life. So we first have to be very good communicators and teach the reciprocity to all our students by giving them equal rights and opportunities to stand up and speak at their own space or in the well of the class. Second point is clarity of instructions. As an educator, we must have crystal clear vision what to teach, how much classwork, how much homework, and how much MW, memory work. So the clarity of instruction, of course, it's a matter of management, but as a class teacher or subject teacher, you are the manager of the entire class and you are responsible to get the picture perfect feedback from the students. Third point is good decision making. We have to make the right decision about cutting the syllabus, adding or trimming the number of questions, number of answers, because various publishers follow various kinds of contents. Certain contents are too much and some contents are too short. So like in GK book, if in grade 4th the student doesn't know the name of the Prime Minister or President, it would be a shame. So we have to be a very good decision maker and give as per the IQ, intelligent quotient, or EQ, emotional quotient of the student, that at least that student of grade 4th must know these basic things, whether it has been published in the books or textbooks or not. So it is like the matter that relates directly to decision making. Talk to your senior colleagues, talk to the principal who takes care of academics about the nitty-gritty of decision making. Then problem solving. Like a doctor solves the problem individually, every patient is a unique case study. In the same way, we must tackle each and every student as a unique case study and try to understand the mentality, the emotional disturbances, if any he or she is passing through. We are scolding or we are like admonishing the student that you have not done the homework, what's wrong with you, long pending. You don't know, maybe there is a severe accident in his family. Maybe he is absent, maybe he is passing through certain high fever or certain other problems. So problem solving can't be equated to one and all equally. It is individual. So please have a good word, whisper in the ear, take that child in the side and ask, Beta, what is wrong with you? You are very intelligent. Today your work is incomplete. What's the damn reason behind it? Then when you give time and space, the child will open like a bud transforming into flower. Next point is interpersonal skills. This is so important to create the very congenial atmosphere in the classroom, taking all in one thought, one emotion at one given time as per your syllabus or content. How that if you wish to involve the entire class, how you develop personal communication into interpersonal communication and try to take all the students along with you onto that mental journey. And only a good communicator, educator can create these interpersonal skills among all the students. Then comes in interpersonal skills, there shouldn't be favoritism, there shouldn't be politics, because it has to be neutral, it has to be secular, it has to be open like free bird in the open sky. Next point is tech savvy, especially after COVID, and the students were forced to go for the Zoom meetings, Zoom classes and live teaching apps and so many things. So we should not be the teachers or educators of yesterday, preparing the generations of tomorrow. We should be futuristic. Now this is the time for AI, artificial intelligence. This is the time for Q star, the latest technology. This is the time for coding. This is the time for lots of new researches and development. So we should be futuristic. We should be tech savvy ourselves. We should know what future lies for our students, and there is no harm in learning from a sharp-minded student. If you don't know a particular app, if you don't know how to use the Play Store and install or uninstall certain things, you can talk to your colleagues and some good senior student and learn and implement that learning. So be tech savvy. Now saying no, I don't know, no, it won't work. You should know, and then you should learn, then you should teach and get the feedback. And by this way, you will be more close to the students. Otherwise, in our childhood, we used to play satoliyas and kabaddis and maldadis and so many those games, you know, marbles, kancha and all that. But you see, any modern day child, does he fly kite? Does he play kancha? Does he play maldadi or satoliya? No, times have changed. So the proclivities, the habits and everything has changed. So what we have to do is to be at par, if not ahead, at least at par with the students in the technological world. And last and the most important point that is the core, the center, the sabab bonum of the entire workshop of skill development is the education that we transfer or transmigrate should be learning centric, not marks centric. Each and every parent these days, or even the employment authorities, they see the marks and the grades. But CBSE has very intelligently designed the curriculum that we do not give the percentage, we give CGPA, right? Why? Because the learning should be the system should not be focused only on the cutthroat competition, that if you get less percentage you won't get the admission. But the values, we give more than often the example of Tendulkar writing IAS examination, obviously with respect failed, but Tendulkar given the bat at the right time will certainly become the god of cricket. So we have to identify individually the qualities, the proclivities and develop the students' habits to grow in that genre of academics or co-curricular activities. Thanks a lot for this entire beautiful workshop. Let's put our hands together.